Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 Buick Enclave Essence Edition SUV that is factory certified. Buying GM certified vehicle means that your investment will be protected for years to come. On the outside, you'll find heated and power door mirrors, rear cross traffic warning system, power liftgate, and rear backup camera. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 7 with heated and power front seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, and push to start technology. The 8-inch LCD screen display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Buick Enclave Essence has less than 40,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.